Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making slime. I'm using white PVA glue. Back with shaving foam that's in here. So I'm putting only a wee bit on here. Good shake. Get my spoon. Putting a bit more shaving foam than I usually do in because I'm keeping this white. Okay, it's going to be a pretty plain slime. Now using bricks. Okay, it's starting to form. See? Okay. Okay. I'm going to put a bit more in. Okay, so far I've put in PVA glue I got from my warehouse that I usually live by. I added shaving foam, r.i.p, mixed with water, which came up like this. And you might be wondering why you add water. You add water because it makes it go fire the bricks. Okay, I'm going to be getting it out very, very soon. I'm just going to put like a dribble. Remember, put real little amount of borax in at each time because it also depends how much borax you put into your water. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to be mixing it in so that it move that. I love white slime. I just love it. White slime is just so cool because it's like clean and just amazing. So this is me, Layla, by myself, making slime, white slime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell right next to it, notifications, and do it all the things, and comment what kind of slime I should make next. And don't forget, go check out all my other videos, and yeah, bye.